In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Cloudflare on Hostinger so your website can take advantage of faster loading times and better security. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your domain will be connected to Cloudflare using custom name servers. Keep your Cloudflare tab open because we'll need to copy a couple of values from there into your Hostinger account. Once you've created your site in Cloudflare and added your domain, Cloudflare will provide two name servers that are unique to your account. These are usually shown on the final step of the Cloudflare setup, and they'll look something like a pair of addresses ending in cloudflare.com. Take a moment to carefully copy these two name server values. You can either copy them to a text file or just keep the Cloudflare window open so you can come back to it easily. It's important that you copy them exactly without changing any characters because these are what connect your domain to Cloudflare's system. Now switch over to your Hostinger H panel. This is your main control panel where you manage domains, hosting, and other settings. From the top menu, find and click on the Domains tab. This is where Hostinger lists all the domains associated with your account and lets you manage their configuration. Within the domain section, look for an option labeled Domain Portfolio. Click that and you should see a list of all your registered domains. Find the domain that you added to Cloudflare earlier. Once you locate that domain in the list, click the Manage button next to it. This will open up the domain management page with all the controls specific to that domain. On the left-hand sidebar of the domain management page, you'll see a number of options. Look for the one labeled DNS/name servers and click it. This area controls where your domain points for DNS, and by default, it will usually be set to use Hostinger's own name servers. Inside the name servers section, you'll see your current configuration, probably showing Hostinger defaults like ns1.dnsparking.com and similar entries. To switch your domain over to Cloudflare, you need to change these. Click on the button or link that says Change Name Servers. This will open a small panel or form allowing you to choose how you want to manage your name servers. You'll typically see multiple options. Here you want to select the option labeled Change Name Servers, which is usually the second option. This tells Hostinger that you're going to use custom name servers instead of their defaults. Once that option is selected, the fields for Name Server 1 and Name Server 2 will become editable. Go back to your Cloudflare tab and copy the first name server that Cloudflare gave you. Return to Hostinger and paste it into the first name server field. Then repeat the process with the second Cloudflare name server, pasting it into the second field. Double check that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end and that you haven't accidentally mixed up the values. When you're sure everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Hostinger will now update your domain's name servers to point to Cloudflare. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, often anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours. During this period, Cloudflare might show a pending status, which is completely normal. Once propagation is complete, Cloudflare should recognize the new name servers, and your domain will officially be connected through Cloudflare while still being managed from your Hostinger account.